What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to create a Facebook ads campaign with a Clickbank offer. Hey there, Stanley here from Team Deberoo, and I've got some exciting news for you. The Deberoo suite is now live with an all-round affiliate marketing software platform. And to celebrate this, we want to give you a very special offer. You can get 40% off of your first month using the software, and to top it all off, we'll throw in an advanced course of choice. So keep your learning going, increase your profit, and make sure to go to the link below in the description because there are only limited places. Good luck. Alright, so as you can see, I'm already inside Facebook, inside the ad creator. But first, let me go to Clickbank and show you the offer which we are going to focus on right now today. So this is it. It is the, let's see, this one right here. So it's the Backyard Revolution, a solar panel offer. So a offer to create your own energy and to save on your energy costs by installing a solar panel inside your, well, on your roof or in your garden. Doesn't really matter where you put it as long as the sun shines, right? So that's what we're going to focus on today. So let's dive straight into it. We're going to go into Facebook and I'm going to start looking for some pictures. So solar panels. Let's see if we can get some interesting images. Oh, those are curvy. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I don't want any stock pictures, right? So I don't want this, I don't want this. I want it to look kind of do-it-yourself-ish. Not really, but I want it to get that feel of the do-it-yourself. So let's add do-it-yourself to it. Let's see what kind of results we get. This one is pretty dope. Although this is definitely not a American kind of home, I think. So I want to get more of an American feel since that is the market in which we are going to promote. Same here. I don't feel like this is your pounds, so this is England. All right. So keep that in mind that architecture is very different from country to country. So if you want to promote in a specific country, it helps if the architecture is actually from that country. All right. Let's see. Let's see. So we could use just like something like this, right? Or this one. That is fine. Now this looks like an American house. They use wood, and they use wood for a lot of houses in the US, whereas in Europe a lot is made from stone and bricks. So a wooden house is pretty good if you focus on the American market. Oh, I like this one. This is going to be it. This is definitely going to be it. Look how that bright blue kind of pops out of the gray of the house. But we're going into Canva and make some adjustments to the brightness of this picture because I want it to pop even more. So we're going to start with an image. And this is the image that we're going to open. Of course, the one that I just downloaded. Here we go. Good quality of the picture. I like that. So let's see what we can make of it. Alright, so here we go. We have the picture and we're going to adjust that. And I want the contrast to be a little bit higher. Let's start with the brightness actually. I usually just kind of play around with these. That looks pretty cool. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Do you see how much it pops? Let's see, do we need a tint on this? Kind of looks cool. Well, fuck the tint. I'm not going to use the tint. Nope. A little bit on the negative blur makes it pop it even a little bit more. It makes those lines a little bit edgy and sharp. Okay, and the X process, I'm not gonna fuck around with that either. And this one, neither. All right, so that looks pretty good. I like it. I like it. Let's download it. Cool. And let's get that into Facebook. So select media. And then we have to, of course, upload the image first. So it's going to be the untitled design. There we go. And there we go. Awesome. Okay, so we have our image, right? And look how that pops. The first thing you notice when you see this image is the actual solar panels. So very good stuff. Very good stuff. Let's start with the headline. Usually I start with the description, but today I want to take things differently. So today we're going to start with the headline. All right. So solar panels. Best investment of 2021. All right. No, actually, I'm going to use the best investment angle in my description story. So we're actually, you know what? Let's just start with the description. I think that's a better flow to go with, for me at least. If it works better for you to start with headline, feel free to do so. I'm going to start with the description. All right. This has been the best, or my best investment of 2020. Have you ever wondered what you can do to reduce your costs? About a year ago, my friend Danny told me he had invested in solar panels. I called him crazy. Those things are so expensive that it will never save you money, I said. And boy, was I wrong. Danny showed me where he got his solar panels from and showed me his reduced energy bill. I was shocked. The fact that he got his solar panels for such a low price was dazzling me. I decided to invest in solar panels as well. And about a year in, I already saved the money I spent on solar panels on my energy bill. This is by far the best investment I made in 2020,
and probably my best investment ever. Check out the site below if you want the same thing. You're welcome. So we're going to remove this one. All right, so that looks pretty cool. Now we just need a headline. Solar panels. Let's see. Budget. Well, no. Cheap. Invest in solar panels. That's where we started, right? Damn caps. I don't like that headline. Let's see. Solar panels reduced in price. Nope. Sale. We'll just do it on this way. Sale on solar panels. All right, sure. Let's make it into learn more, the CTA. Get your campaign URL in there. And let's do some targeting. So we're gonna run it in the United States. Oh, whoops. Should type it here. United States. All right. We're gonna do some detailed targeting, but first, let's select the age. So I wanna turn it up a little bit more. Let's say starting at 30 and not 65 plus. Let's say 30 to 50, I guess. And we are gonna focus this ad on men, although I'm not quite sure whether it will sell more to men or women. I just want to test men out first because that is my first instinct for this specific offer. And let's do some detailed targeting. So interest-based targeting, we could say we're gonna do it yourself. But we could also see if there is anything. Solar system, solar energy. So our reach with solar energy is 6.5 million people. So that's pretty good actually. It's not too broad, it's not too specific. So let's go with that. All right, we're all set. Cool, so now we can shoot live our ad for the solar panels. We're gonna spend a little bit more. Let's say 50? Yeah, 50 a day, that's fine. Okay, awesome. And we're all set. So that is gonna be it for this one, but no worries. Of course, like you used to, there's always more to come. And don't forget to check out the very special offer for the Deberoo suite, and you'll find the link below in the description. That's gonna be it. I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.